I used to think lemons would wilt and rot no matter how long they were left out. Until I tried this method. Even after a year, the lemons are still vibrant green, not wrinkled or mushy, and when cut open, they still smell as fragrant as when they were first bought. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Today, I'll share my secret to keeping lemons fresh for longer so you can comfortably buy plenty when lemons are cheap and use them all year round without worrying about losing their flavor. In this video, I'll show you several ways to preserve lemons, all of which are effective, especially methods 3 and 4. Whichever method you like best, try it out. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. First, wash the lemons thoroughly. This step is very important because many people buy lemons but don't wash them before putting them in the refrigerator, causing them to turn yellow and spoil quickly. Keeping lemons fresh is very simple. First, place the lemons in a large bowl, then sprinkle 2 tablespoons of baking soda on each lemon, and rub it evenly over all the lemons with your hands. Baking soda not only helps keep lemons fresh longer, but also reduces the bitterness in the lemon peel. After scrubbing, pour water over the lemons and soak them in salt water for about 5 minutes. After that time, rinse them with clean water 2 to 3 times and let them dry completely. That completes the step of keeping lemons fresh for longer. Next, we'll look at other preservation methods to keep them usable for a long time, even a year. Prepare 1 to 2 paper towels, folded to fit the bottom of the glass jar. These towels will naturally absorb moisture from the lemons and the surrounding environment, keeping the inside of the jar dry and airy. Gently place each lemon onto the paper until the jar is full. This arrangement helps prevent the lemons from getting bruised, the skin from turning brown, and from wilting quickly. Seal the jar tightly and place it in the refrigerator, avoiding very cold areas such as near the evaporator. If stored properly, lemons will stay fresh for 2 to 4 weeks, or even longer if they are very fresh. Check the jar every 5 to 7 days. If the absorbent paper becomes too damp, replace it with fresh paper to keep the lemons dry. Do not store lemons with fruits that produce a lot of ethylene gas, such as apples or bananas, as this will cause the lemons to wilt quickly. This method is very suitable for families who use lemons regularly. When removed, the lemons are still green and juicy, with fresh stems and smooth, firm skin, and a low risk of mold. This is also a method used by many American families because it is clean, easy to do, and economical. Method 2. Preserving lemons in Ziploc bags. This method is suitable when you want to preserve lemons for 6 to 12 months. First, wrap each lemon individually in kitchen paper, sealing them completely to help them last longer. Many people stop at this step, but to increase the chances of keeping them fresh longer, place each lemon wrapped in paper in a sealed Ziploc bag. Ziploc bags help limit contact with air and moisture, thus preventing the lemons from molding or wilting quickly. When properly stored in the refrigerator, lemons will stay fresh, plump, wrinkle-free, and minimize the risk of mold for months. This is a simple, economical method and very suitable for families who want to store lemons for a long time. Method 3. Freezing lemons. If you have too many lemons and don't know how to store them, freezing is the best option. Place the lemons in a Ziploc bag. If you don't have a vacuum sealer, you can soak the bag in water to remove the air. Lemons can be stored in the freezer for up to 5 months. When using them, you can peel the lemons directly while they are still frozen or thaw them first. The pulp will be softer, but the flavor will remain the same. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Another tip: slice lemons and freeze them for use in hot drinks. Then, place the lemon slices in a Ziploc bag, seal it tightly, and put it in the freezer. When preparing, simply add 2 slices of lemon to a cup of warm water. Add 1 teaspoon of honey and stir well. Drinking lemon and honey water helps boost immunity, improve digestion, and brighten skin. It also supports body detoxification and promotes gentle weight loss. Prepare it at a table. Method 4: drying lemons and storing them in glass jars. This is a great way to preserve lemons for a long time, for use in cooking, making drinks, or decorating. First, slice the lemons into thin, even slices. This helps the lemons dry quickly and evenly. Arrange the lemon slices on the tray of the air fryer, avoiding overlapping to prevent sticking. Preheat the air fryer to approximately 160 degrees Celsius and dry for 30 minutes, depending on the thickness of the lemon slices, or until the slices are completely dry. The peel is no longer damp, and they retain their beautiful golden color. During the drying process, you can open the pot a few times to check for dryness and stir gently if needed. Once the lemons are dry, remove them and let them cool completely. Next, arrange the lemon slices in a clean glass jar and seal tightly. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. The dried lemons can be stored in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight, or in the refrigerator to extend their shelf life. If stored properly, dried lemons can retain their flavor and taste for 6 to 12 months, or even longer, without becoming moldy or damp. When used, the lemons will still be crisp, fragrant, and retain their natural sour taste. Method 5: keep lemons fresh all year round by freezing the juice. This method helps you preserve lemons for several years, making them extremely convenient to use gradually. Just use washed lemons squeezed to get the juice. Then put the juice in the freezer to freeze. Can be poured into ice trays or small plastic jars of dipping sauce from restaurants. Will have big cubes and more convenient. This way, you will always have lemon juice to cook all year round without worrying about lemon prices increasing. Don't throw away the lemon peel. First, wash the lemon peel under running water. Scrape off the white pulp to make the solution clearer and less bitter. Slice the lemon peel very thinly into 0.2 to 0.5 centimeter strips, slices. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Let the lemon peel drain completely before soaking. Put the sliced lemon peel in a spray bottle. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid directly into the bottle. Prepare warm water at 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. Do not use boiling water. Pour warm water into the bottle until almost full, leaving 2 to 3 centimeters left. Cover and shake vigorously for 20 to 30 seconds to dissolve the salt and dish soap. Store the bottle in a cool place away from direct sunlight. Soak for 24 to 48 hours before use. After 1 day, faint lemon scent. After 2 days, light yellow color, lemon essential oil dissolves more clearly, washes clean, and smells better. No need to filter out the lemon peel. Leave it in the bottle to help the solution become more fragrant. Spray directly onto dishes, pots, pans, chopsticks, and spoons. Wait 1 minute for the essential oils and natural acids to break down the fat. Scrub and rinse with water. Suitable for wooden cutting boards, plastic cutting boards, gas stoves, and sinks. This is the simplest, fastest, most effective way to use lemon peels. You should prepare a bottle in the kitchen. It is very good to use and makes the kitchen smell better. This method is economical, natural, has a mild fragrance, and is safe for the skin of your hands. Cleans well, removes fishy odors well. Suitable for daily dishwashing. Do you have any methods for preserving lemons for longer? Please leave a comment and let me know. Thank you for watching the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next great tips. See you in the next video. Bye! If you like or are using any of these methods, please comment and share.